Huh?
I wish I didn't eat that sticky candy and then forgot to brush. My tooth hurts. Not on the outside, but way inside.
Oh, Brushy Squad, this is important because teeth aren't just one solid thing. Teeth have layers. Ooh, the enamel, the dentin, the pulp. One more time, together. The enamel, the dentin, the pulp. And if something sneaky can get past the outside, it can cause big tooth pain on the inside. Well, good thing I brought my brand new invention. Ooh, it's the Shrinka brush.
You're gonna go inside my tooth?
Oh yeah, we are. To fix Mr. Big Mouth's tooth, we need to make it down all the way to the third deepest layer, which is called the pulp. Correct. Okay, Brushy Squad, do you want to come with me? Yeah? Open wide. Whoop. Let's go. Okay, team, the first rule of tooth fixing? We always start on the outside. The outside layer is called the enamel. Correct. Enamel is the hard armor that protects your teeth. But sugar bugs love to sneak past it.
Snack time!
Oh no! Brushy Squad, help me brush them away! Grab your toothbrush. Ha-ha! And let's scrub away. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, small circles. We're almost there. We gotta get rid of all these sugar bugs.
Hey, I don't like being clean.
Brush up top. Now down low. There we go. Nice. This enamel is clean. Do you see something? There's a crack in the enamel. You know what that means. It's time to shrink down. Let's use our Shrinka brush and get down deeper into the tooth. It's time to go smaller. Woohoo! Whoa, we're standing on the enamel. But where do we need to go next? It's down there. Is it called the pulp or the dentin? Yeah, it's called the dentin. We got it. Let's go on in. Woohoo! The dentin has tiny tunnels that help send messages. Whoa! Did you see that ice cube?
Oh, cold!
Yep, that's called sensitivity because you're sensing the cold. Brushy Squad, we need to protect the tunnels. But how? We need to brush in the toothpaste. Grab your toothbrush and grab your toothpaste. It's time to brush with me. Tiny glob. It's time to fill in the gaps before the ice hits the tunnels. First, brush up there. Nice job. Uh-oh, over here now. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush it up and down. Good job. Last tunnel to fill. Brush, brush, brush. Oh yeah, keep going. Nice job. We blocked all the ice cubes from hitting the tunnels. Now Mr. Big Mouth won't feel all that sensitivity. But the deepest part is still ahead. Let's go. Whoa, we reached the final layer, which is called the pulp. Nice. This is where the tooth can feel the pain. Not today, Mr. Sugarbug. Brushy Squad, it's time to brush him away. It's important to brush in small, gentle circles for 2 minutes every day. That'll help scare away the sugar bugs.
No!
Woohoo! He vanished! Woohoo! Whoa! Nice work, team! Let's go over what we learned today. Enamel protects the outside. Dentin sends sensitivity messages. And the pulp holds the nerves. And of course, brushing helps protect everything. You know what time it is. Grab your toothbrush and let's brush along. It's time for a brushing party!
Ha 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 ha. start fighting dirty, yucky teeth, keeping every smile smart. Brush your teeth twice a day. Chase those sugar bugs away. Up and down and round and round. Happy teeth that love this sound. Ha, 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 boo!
Make sure to brush 2 minutes twice a day, morning and night. I'm Dr. Brushy. Subscribe to make brushing fun. See you later.